Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about national seed projects. Under the center scheme, National Food Security Mission, oil seeds and oil palm, National Food Security Mission pulses, National Food Security Mission commercial crops, National Food Security Mission nutri cereals, MIDH. It's nothing but mission for integrated development of horticulture. Next one, National Seed Policy 2002. The Seed Act 1966, Seed Control under 1983, New Seed Policy on Seeds Development 1988 from the basis of promotion and regulation of the Indian seed industry. The New Seed Policy of 1988 ushered in a new area of growth and phenomenal development because it allowed limited import of commercial seed, removed curbs on imports of seeds of vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants, and even allowed import of seed of coarse cereals, pulses, and oil seeds for a period of 2 years. The important constraints were the constraints is nothing but problems are non-existence of national seed policy, IPR laws. IPR is nothing but intellectual property rights, restrictions and licenses on seed exports and imports, lack of incentives for the public and private seed sectors of the country. India later developed the National Seed Policy in 2002. The main objective was the provision of an appropriate climate for the seed industry to replace available and prospective opportunities, safeguarding of the interest of Indian farmers and the conservation of agrobiodiversity. So, thrust areas. So, what are the thrust areas? Varietal development and PVP, seed production, quality assurance, seed distribution and marketing, infrastructure facilities, transgenic plant varieties, import of seeds and planting material, export of seeds, promotion of domestic seed, strengthening of monitoring system. So, establishment of PVP FRA, Plant Varieties Protection and Farmers' Rights Authority to implement PVP FR Act 2001. Next, we are going to discuss about seed production agencies in India. So, what are the seed production agencies? We already discussed government sector, cooperative sector, and private sector. We will see one by one. National Seed Production Agencies, National Seed Corporation, NSC, State Farm Corporation of India, SFC, Indian Councils of Agriculture Research, ICAR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, IIHR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, IARI. State Seed Production Agencies, it's related to State Seed Production, SSC, State Seed Development Authority, KSSDA, State Seed Certification Agency, SSCA. Then we are going to discuss about private seed companies. National Seed Corporation, NSC. It was initiated in 1961 under the Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Later on 7th March 1963, it was registered as a limited, that is National Seed Corporation Limited, and started functioning from July 1963. What is seed certification? Everyone know about that. Certified seeds are quality seeds. So a legally sanctioned system to maintain quality of seeds during seed production, post-harvest operation and distribution of seeds. Seed certification is a quality assurance process. Seeds intended for domestic and international markets is controlled and inspected by official sources in order to guarantee consistent high quality for consumers. It includes field inspection, seed quality test, and pre and post quality check. Certification is a voluntary process, but labeling is compulsory. So, what is the concept of seed certification? Concept of seed certification was originated in Sweden during 20th century by visiting agronomists and plant breeder to the progressive farmers who took seeds from them, primarily with the objective of educating them on how to avoid contamination. This initiated field inspection process. In India, the field evaluation of the seed crop and its certification started with the establishment of National Seed Corporation (NSC) in 1963. The Seeds Act of 1966 provided the required impetus for the establishment of official seed certification agencies by the states. Maharashtra was the first state to establish an official seed certification agencies during 1970 as part of Department of Agriculture. Principles for forming seed certification agency. There are 7 points are there. You will see one by one. It should not involve in seed production and marketing. It should have autonomy. Seed certification procedure adopted should be uniform throughout the country. It should closely be associated with technical institutes. It should operate on a no profit and no loss basis. It's a limit break-even point, so no profit, no loss. It should have adequate technical staff and facilities for timely inspection of seed fields. It should serve for the interest of seed producers and buyers. Just one very important terminology in seed certification. OSSOPCA means the state Orissa State Seed Certification Agency, that is a name, was formed on 3rd June 1977 and registered under Societies Registration Act 1860, registration number 12176 /212, dated 14/10/1977, to carry out the functions of certification agencies under Seeds Act 1966. To carry out organic certification in the state, OSSCA, Orissa State Seed Certification Agency, has been renamed as Orissa State Seed and Organic Product Certification Agency in 2012. So OSS OPCA Workflow Automation System received the Silver Award in the category of Innovative Use of ICT by state government, and also Navaratna Bashu during 1919 National Conference on E-Governance 2016 held at Nagpur, Maharashtra. So what is the core work of OSS OPCA? What is the core work? We are going to discuss one by one. First, we are going to anything register. So registration is compulsory. Registration, verification of seed source, class and other requirements, inspection of the seed crop in the field, supervision at post-harvest stages, including processing and packing, drawing of samples and arranging for analysis. The last one, grant of certificate, issue of certification tax, labeling, sealing, etc. So these are the things covered under the core work of OSSOPCA. So everything the certified after certification, you can see the look like these are the seeds. So what are the objectives of seed certification? To maintain and make available to the farmers high quality seeds and propagating materials of notified kind and varieties, to ensure the acceptable standards of seed viability, agar, purity and seed health, to ensure genetic identity and genetic purity. A well-organized seed certification should help in accomplishing the following three primary objectives. So, what are the three primary objectives? One is the systematic increase of superior varieties, the identification of new varieties and their rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted names, provision for continuous supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. So, these are the things are objectives of seed certification. Thank you all.